Okay, so a couple days ago, my package has come and the story it goes like this. Yo, Alvin, you got a package down there. And here is the package. Then you might be wondering,
Yo, Alvin, where's the package that you bought?
so what about is a keycaps? Yup, a keycaps. The Ayanami keycaps from Press Play. Because when I clean my keyboard, I always wash the keycaps and it's fucking tiring. Because I have to dry it after rinse the keycaps, and then I think, if I buy the keycaps, that would make my life easier. So I don't have to do this shit anymore right after I clean my keyboard. And the other reason is, who the fuck in this world who doesn't want to make something more beautiful and looks good? But wait, because we talk about Ayanami Ray in here, so I need to sing my shirt, so yeah, wait a minute. Evangelion shirt, Ayanami Ray. That was a cool transition, right? Okay, enough talking, and now let's move on to the unboxing. Okay, so yeah, here's the keycaps, and I don't know why the box is like this, not like the usual keycaps box. You know what I mean, right? And now, yeah, let's just open this. Can't wait to see how it fuck. Okay, let's pull it out. Damn, bro. So this is a spacebar, like, looks the design though. Oh my god, so fucking cool, bro. And this is for the shift. Yeah, I can't wait to put this on into my keyboard. Okay, so now let's put on this Ray Ayanami keycaps into this keyboard. So apparently I really confused to put this, like, oh my god, I'm really confused with the sign, and yeah, you know, maybe I will skip this part. Okay, so I just done, and yeah, introducing my new Ray Ayanami keycaps. Okay, I'm gonna be honest and not gonna lie, so yeah, the keycaps, it's so fucking good. And the design, oh my god, as you guys can see, this keycaps is cherry profile. What I like about this keycaps is the color itself, because the color combination in here is so good, and it's fucking good combination with my white keyboard here. And then I like how there is a katakana in here. You, yo, su, I, ta. So what about its sounds? So yeah, that's pretty much it about this video about destroy Ayanami keycaps about this unboxing. If you guys like this video, you can hit like button. If you guys don't like this video, you can dislike this video. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't and for more. But sure bro, this keycaps is so fucking legit. Thank you for watching this video and yeah, bye.